Welcome to Python Turtle Graphics Tutorials. This is our video number 4 in which we will be discussing how to draw this design in Python Turtle library. After getting an empty file, we will import Turtle library. Now we will create a function. Define draw square in which we will pass parameter t. This is the function to draw the square. Now we will create a for loop for I in range. There are 4 sides of a square, so we will specify the range from 1, 5. It will go till n minus 1 till 4. Now we will add t dot forward, the distance which the square will cover, which is 150, and also the angle t dot right, which is 90. For first iteration, the turtle will cover a distance of 150 and it will change its direction, its angle. And for the second iteration, it will cover a distance of 150 and change its direction. So for third and fourth iteration, a whole square will be drawn. Now we'll create another function to draw the art. Define draw art. This function will specify the background color, turtle dot background color, which is yellow. Also the pen color, turtle dot pen color, blue. And also the speed with which the turtle will draw the design, turtle dot speed. Here 0 means fastest. Now we will create a for loop or I in range 300. Now we call a square function in which we will pass turtle. Now we will also specify the angle, the interval between the two squares, turtle dot right 17. Now we will call our function draw art. And then we will add turtle dot done. So our screen will not close automatically. You can also use time library to pause the screen. Here I am using turtle.done. It is the same code as in my video number 2. The change is here the range is 300. In the previous video, second video, it was 1 till 36 and the angle is changed. In my second video it was 10, in this it is 17. As the whole code is same. Now we'll run our code. So our code has run successfully and this pattern has been run. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel.